morning. Gonna go on how now. Like my life is deeply when I'm there. I don't know. I will tell you when I'm there. Morning guys. Yo. So far. So far. Where finally is Fuki?
Guys have been fed so well. But what we have to understand is what God sets in motion cannot be undone. That means that no matter what happens along the way, I can make all things work together for my good, says the Lord. It's just an interruption. I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's just an interruption. It's just an interruption. It's just an interruption. Yes, it's a heartbreak, but it's an interruption. Yes, it's a detour, but it's really an interruption. Yes, you got to go back to work, but it's just an interruption. Yes, they let you go, but it's just an interruption. God didn't change his mind just because you changed your mind. That's why God says you don't have to be renewed by me changing.
Guys, it's 12:30 right now. I can't believe it. Okay, I do believe it because in years video but I was like, today I want to do like Sunday reset and I want to wake up exactly around 5, but unfortunately I couldn't. It's 12:30 right now. Like, imagine from 5:05 from 5 it's 12:30. Like, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Like, I'm tired, guys. Until this time into like, I'm really tired. My body is sore. I'm hungry, I want to eat. And guys, lately I've been eating ukudla kwezolo for breakfast. Like I've been eating what do you call it, like abu papa rice, like molacha nikija, like the you get like. So I want to change that routine, but angazini, like angazini, because right now I'm really hungry. Like I want to start eating like the Juja breakfast, like bread, eggs, avocado. You get, but I don't have time for that, to be honest with you. Like I really don't have time for that. I am hungry right now and I don't know what I'm going to eat because otherwise now big go manage. And guys, okay, I think okay, oh yesterday we went out to buy McD's, so I think maybe I can eat chicken nuggets because I still have chicken nuggets from my zone. I think I can eat that, like light food. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, don't judge. So guys, I'm going to eat chicken lighting please. I'm going to eat chicken nuggets and fries. Lighting in hello lighting. I feel like I'm bright, am I? Yeah guys, I'm going to eat chicken nuggets and fries right now because I need to eat at this moment. I have to eat what I have. Good. So, oh guys, let me show you something. I'm so chinchy, made a thing, and it's been 2 days, and since it's using more, so I have to change. Amazon, I'm going to leave a message on my menu. So this is my clothes, guys. Well, anyways, guys, today it's Sunday. I'm doing a Sunday reset. I know it's already late, but I got told my face I get. So I'm going to clean my room, do laundry. To be honest, guys, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do that with you. It's just to spend the Sunday with me. That's all. And yeah, guys, for now, let's start with our day. So guys, let's start our day. spicy. Like I want to cook like simple food but slash Sunday course type of vibe. So I don't know what to cook, honestly. Like I really don't know, but as pagan doesn't matter. But I wanna eat hamonat, man. Get guys, I don't know if it's possible for me to akaja cabbage no more at the same time and spinach at the same time. I don't like big like kitchen rojo then I don't like that. That's why I ukata. Energy. This is what I wanted. Okay guys, everything in my stuff. Now I need to prepare myself. I need to bath. What's going on, lighting? Guys, what the F? Anyway, I'm done bathing. Yay! I am done putting everything. Okay. Did you say go phone, guys? Now I'm about to prepare myself to bath. Okay. You guys. Okay guys, I decided to eat first, then eat happy after, because after bathing I want to like just chill, watch TV, then go over like smell it tomorrow because it's already late. It's, I don't know, ooh, come off the blue can blue lighting to be honest. It's what time? It's 18:50 right now. Ooh, the camera guy flash. There's a lot going on. Hey guys. Hey guys, now I want to do my face with you guys because I feel like my face is oily. Can you guys see that? My face is too oily, so I want to do my face with this mask. I feel like in my mom, yeah, Isabella. My mom gave it to me. Oh, I have to wash my face first. Hot. I almost killed myself. Yo, sorry, yo. Okay, as I was saying, yo, camera, okay. I thought that, as I was saying, guys, I want to bath, then watch TV, then buy my Bible for the night, then sleep. Monday, guys, it's a new week, new whatever. I am so far, guys. Now I am happy, to be honest with y'all. I am really happy. I'm on my best vision. I don't know if I could do best vision of myself. Do I even make sense? I don't know how can make a sense in that, but I think I understand what you're correct. Yes, like happy. Since I who connect I'm trying my best. Like guys, I'm trying. I'm not saying holy, I'm deep. No, I'm not. I'm trying, and ke rapella for se gore le modimo a nthuse gore ke be le faith mo go yena, a godise faith yaka and whatsoever. Like I just wanna be happy, man. I just want to be happy. That's all I want. And thanks to Mudim, because at this moment I am happy. I don't want to lie to y'all. I am happy. The only thing is to continue whatever that I'm doing. The Mudim, continue praying, continue reading Bible, and continue the sermon and whatsoever. Everything I get because reading that, guys, to be honest with you, you learn a lot about life. Like you really learn about a lot about life. Like guys, at this moment, but I trust like I have this faith soon. I don't know when, but when the time is right, whatever learning you get. So guys, let me stop talking, then continue getting talking because if I keep on talking, I'm gonna speak in talking. But guys, no more thing.
Okay, let me see. No, under your eyes over here.
Okay, my skin is better now, you see? I look nice. I'm about to bath. Yes, then go to sleep because tomorrow is school day. Anyway, guys, let me bath, then I will see you when I am done bathing. Yo, my skin is skinning.
So drama.
But my skin is skinning.
But still, she's drama vlog.
Guys, my skin in a problem. I don't know what's happening. Even though that mask, so like I really don't know what's happening, and I'm getting worried. I'm really getting worried. My skin, cause knowing me is me. I see as a skin, as a type, as a. You get what I mean? Anyway, guys, I am done bathing. Now I just want to watch TV. What do you guys watch Sundays? Like there's nothing to watch, honestly. But now it's 8:30. I still have time. All the things that I want to watch. Then do my Bible study for the night, then I sleep. So yeah, I don't know, should I close this video here or what? I don't know, but if vanilla guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys did like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will talk to you all on the next vlog.